Hello everyone, this is Preetham Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So you guys are all know about that we are continuously uploading Pyspark databricks related videos for your interview preparation and also the real-time scenarios. The whoever is learning Pyspark from the beginner level to and wishing to complete it in the advanced level. So if you guys are still working, still struggling in Pyspark real-time scenarios, you can watch our this playlist so that you can learn what kind of issues we used to face in our real world projects. Okay, so today we'll see in this real-time scenario that the upsert data. Okay, so what is upsert data? Upsert data into delta table. Okay, so um, so what is upsert? Upsert means so you will insert the data and also will update the data existing data. So if you have if you have 10 data, okay, in your target table, so next time whenever your pipeline will run, it will fetch uh, next 10 data. Okay, so within next 10 data, few four datas are it is previous data which is got updated. Okay, so in this case it will do, it will update the four data with the past four datas. Okay, and it will insert the new six datas also. So our total data in target table would be 16 data. Okay, so like that, for this kind of scenario, we need to go ahead with the approach of upsert data. mm, it's a coding approach. Okay, so let's go. We'll see. I think you will if you are not understanding uh, this here, uh, whenever I will do the code, uh, you will get to understand. But one condition, you need to do it uh, by yourself also whenever I will do the hands-on. Okay, then only you will get to understand. So before going ahead, I want to introduce my YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. If you are preparing for data engineering interview, or if you are mm, learning, aspiring for data engineer role, you can visit our channel and try to learn the PySpark Databricks ATF from here. Okay, so let's go. First I will import the required functions, whatever it is required to do my uh, solution. So I have one data file in my dbfs. So from file store, so we have one data file resdf. Okay, I will use this data file to show you the upsert method. Okay, so it's not a PySpark given method, it's a approach, upsert approach. Okay, I'm telling you. So first I'll insert the raw data. Sorry, spark dot read dot csv, then need to give the path. If you are not aware of this, how to read the csv, then you need to go ahead my PySpark database playlist. There I have explained how to do this. Okay, so first I will insert the raw data. Raw df dot, if I will display the data, if I will display the data, then it will, so it is showing me the path is not exist. Path is not exist. Why it is showing me? Let me check. Oh, session error. 1 minute. Let me log in once again. Now I have used here the TBFS protocol for getting the path. Okay, so I'm getting the data now. Okay, so from here, first I will take the top 10 resides data. Okay, first 10 resides data, and I will store it in a different location, which will be my target location. So I'll take df1 equals to raw df dot filter reside, which should be less than equals to 10. Okay, and we'll insert two new column with this, with column current date. I'll use the current timestamp here. I will insert one new column, which should be updated date. For any modification of data, it will give that times date. For now it will be none. Okay, uh, updated date. So we'll use here delete function, f dot delete. So for delete, I don't think it is required. So delete function I will use here for all the column. It will give by default null value. Okay, and we'll cast it in timestamp. Whenever I will update the column, it should not give me error. So whatever I am doing, you will get to understand. Just don't skip it. See the full video, then you will get to understand. Otherwise, whenever I will give the important informations, you might missed it if you skip. Okay, so now if I'll run, where is the error? Timestamp is not defined. Okay, let me check. Okay, timestamp is not defined. Okay, so now it is fine, I think. So here all the functions I have included in f variable, and calling the if method. So calling the if, I'll use the current timestamp and also the delete function, and null it would be a string, and I'm casting it in a timestamp. Okay, so now if I'll see both the column, it would be timestamp. Okay, now what I will do, I will extract the data once again. I will extract the data from raw data. Here I have extracted 1 to 10. From next time when the data will come, I will extract from 6 to 20. Means whenever I will extract the reside 6 to 20, the 6 to 10 reside would be my already existing data. So there I will make some changes and I will keep it updated. Okay, in our targeted table. So first I will store my first 1 to 10 data in a target table. Okay, So df1 dot, sorry, spark dot, why it is giving multiple time session error, don't know. So first I'll write the whatever column I have extracted, write in a targeted table. So df1 dot write dot format. So I'll make the format as a delta. We'll store it as a delta table. Delta dot save. Okay, save. I need to give the path. So file store sync file. I'll give this path. Okay. So I have copied the path and I'm giving it here. Okay. So if I'll run it, let's see. So the data has stored. So let's see what is our data. So df equals to spark dot read dot format delta dot load given the path df dot show. Okay, so it is giving me the top 10 data in my targeted table. Okay, current date and updated date, there is no update for now, it is null. Okay, so now once again I will extract. So I'll do it here only, then we can see it later also. So once again I'll uh, extract some next round of data from raw table. Okay, so for saving time I'll copy my this code. Okay, and we'll make the changes here. So df2 equals to filter. So here I'll make the changes. Okay, so what would be my condition? My condition would be race id race id between 6 and 20. So whatever data it will extract, it would be based on the 6 to 20 race id data. Okay, so the same thing will work here. It will uh, it will add two columns for current date and updated date. Okay, now just we'll make one changes here. df2 dot, okay, first I'm just running it and I'm showing it the data, whatever data I'm extracting. So you can see race ID 6 to 20's data I have here. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just make the changes of on the circuit ID. Okay, so any column you can make the changes. So for now I'm making the changes in circuit ID. I'm just concatenating the round ID and circuit ID and storing it in circuit ID. Okay, so df2 equals to df2 dot uh, with column mm, okay, so with column circuit ID okay, circuit ID for concatenating what I'll use, f dot concat if dot call round once again. So now what we'll do, uh, we'll use here the column for concatenating whatever columns data will concatenate. If dot call, then circuit ID. Circuit ID. Okay. So next, let's run it. So now in circuit ID's data, round ID's data is concatenated. Okay. So now what I will merge this table, this data with my previous data which is stored already in my sync file. Okay. So there 6 to 10 race IDs data would be updated. Okay, the circuit ID would be updated, and the rest of the data 11 to 20, it is the new data, it will be stored newly. So for that, what I will do, I'll first take the delta table object. Delta will will take will use delta table variable to store the delta table object. Delta table dot, so now using the delta table for path, we'll first take the delta our table. Okay, spark comma then our table path. Okay, so if I run it, I think it will successfully run. Once it is run, then let's complete the run. So I have run this. Now I will merge my delta table, whatever the existing data, with my new data. Okay, so the new my target table's data with the new data. Okay, so delta table, this object has my target table data. Target dot merge my new data stored in df2. Okay, so df2 dot alias, this would be my source data. Okay, source. After that, we need to give the condition based on which condition it will merge. Okay, it will be merged. So that would be my so that would be my condition of race ID. Okay, so target dot race ID should be equals to source dot race id. Okay, so this would be my condition, and after that the what would be my changing condition. uh, so here there in delta life table, after merging, you need to uh, whenever your condition has you have given, if you need to if you have already existing data, that time you can give some so based on the condition already existing data, how it will be updated, that thing we can define here. Okay, so when we have condition. Okay, so here one thing we need to give, 1 minute. So in merge, so I have called the delta table object here, and here everything is fine. Now here it will be a conditional statement based on which the things would be merged. So I'm putting it in here. So let it be without this also, it will work. When 1 minute, it should run. When matched update, you need to give the whenever this when you are merging your target table with source data, with source data, if there is any match, if there is any match based on the race id, means 6 to 10, 6 to 10 race id, there is a match. So you need, you are defining that you need to update the data based on which condition. So that I'm mentioning here. Okay, so set the condition would be updated date, updated that would be previous data would be replaced with current timestamp, current timestamp, and one another thing, the target dot circuit id would be replaced source dot circuit id, whatever data it is in source dot circuit id. Circuit id would be replaced source dot circuit id. Okay, so it's done. So the condition is has been given when the condition when not matched. Okay, the next condition would be when the next thing would be when not matched. matched. Then we need to insert all the data, means for the new data it is this condition has been written. Okay, insert insert all. Okay, then just execute. Okay, done. So next I'm running it now. Let's see if any error is coming or not. So there is no error. Okay, it is running. Let it run. Let the run completed. Okay, so it's done. Now previously we have one second session error. So next, so earlier we have the data in my delta table 1 to 10, and the circuit ID was normal 1 2 3 1 7 3, the common ID. The round data was not concatenated with the circuit ID. For 6 to 10 also it was like this, 6 6 7 5, like this. Okay, and also updated data there is null. So now I have done the changes, merged the new data source with my old data source. So whatever new data has come, it will be added, and if there is any data change in the old data, that will be uh, updated. Okay, so I'll use display function here to see it properly. Let's see. So you can see the race 6, the circuit ID has been changed. 6 6 6 7, it was 5, now it has been merged with the round 7 5 8 8 9. Okay, so it's like that, and the it was changed. That was for that updated column also giving me the current in the changed timestamp whenever it was changed. Okay, and also 1 to 1 to 6, sorry, 1 to 5, the data remains same. We have make changes the data from 6 to 10, from 6 to 10. The 6 11 to 20 was new record, and 6 to 10 it is uh, in the old record where the data changes happened. Okay, so using this way, the this is absurd, the coding technology, the absurd methodology. uh, we can change our already existing data also, and we are inserting the new data. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can directly reach out to me via TopMate. There is no need to pay to me for connecting with me. Okay, so all the TopMate bookings are free. Okay, and if you think we are giving the correct and correct information and useful information, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and support us, because you guys, without you guys support, we can't grow, we can't reach to the broader audience. You can see lots of video we are uploading, and if you will see it, you will comment it, and if you like it, or whatever comment you have, you can provide here. Your feedback you can provide here, so that we also can motivate ourselves, and also uh, we can we can also uh, we can get interest to build more new videos on new technologies. Okay, so please support us, stay with us, and stay tuned for next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.